Unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence and master Gemini with this essential guide, designed to transform your workflow and supercharge your projects. Let's begin by understanding what Gemini is at its core. Gemini is a powerful, multimodal AI model that excels at understanding and processing various types of information: text, images, audio, and video. Think of it as your intelligent assistant, ready to help you brainstorm, create, and analyze. Our first step is navigating the Gemini interface. You'll find a clear input area where you'll type your prompts A circumflex euros. Essentially, your instructions to Gemini. This is where the magic begins. The output section is where Gemini will present its responses, whether it's generated text, summarized content, or creative ideas. Next, let's explore Gemini's diverse applications for content creators. Gemini can help draft articles, scripts, or social media posts. Overcoming writer's block with innovative suggestions, researchers can leverage it to quickly summarize lengthy documents, identify key themes, and even generate hypotheses. To get the most out of Gemini, effective prompting is key. Be specific and provide context instead of asking for ideas. Ask for 3 unique marketing campaign ideas for a sustainable fashion brand targeting Gen Z. The more detail you provide, the more tailored and useful Gemini's response will be. Don't be afraid to iterate if Gemini's initial response isn't exactly what you're looking for. Ask follow-up questions. You can request clarifications, ask for alternative formats, or prompt it to expand on specific points. This conversational approach allows you to guide Gemini towards your desired outcome. Gemini can also be integrated with other tools to enhance productivity. Explore how it can assist with coding tasks, such as debugging or generating code snippets, or how it can help analyze data patterns and identify trends, all within your existing workflows. By understanding its capabilities and practicing effective prompting, you'll soon find Gemini to be an indispensable tool, empowering you to tackle complex tasks and bring your most ambitious projects to life. Start exploring today and unleash your creative and analytical power.